Hi, Bridget. How are you?
Good morning, Robert. Good to be here.
So, Bridget, you from QuickBooks, actually from EasyBiz
Easy biz.
Technology. Yes, who are the local authorized QuickBooks partners in South Africa.
Correct.
And um, and you people are participating on the A4E Business Financial Mastery Educational Campaign, Pillar 7, which is all about business automation.
Yes, so
So
we're
great
very
to,
excited.
yeah, so great to have you on the show, Bridget.
Thank you
So,
so much.
I mean, QuickBooks, let's just talk about QuickBooks Online. That's really an awesome package, isn't it, for the SMME
So
entrepreneurs?
much. It was designed specifically for the little entrepreneur who has a business idea, wants to start a little something on the side, or even actually want to be the next Bill Gates. Who knows? Doesn't matter. Um, the product was designed for an entrepreneur, not for an accountant. So that's what's so special about QuickBooks, is that it's written and developed in such a way that it really you can be up and running within an hour of using QuickBooks Online, which really is quite special.
And the beauty of QuickBooks Online is that if one looks at the competitive environment, uh,
Mm,
a South African economy that isn't growing that hotly
yes,
at the moment, so we need to be smart, isn't it? And
absolutely.
really what QuickBooks Online does is it gives uh, no matter how big or small your business, it gives you these awesome tools that really put you in control of how your business is performing, what do you do next, management accounts, graphics, all those fancy stuff which previously were only available to medium to large businesses and in huge packages.
And for great cost. We pride ourselves on the fact that our package is so affordable, and we try very hard to run specials every now and again to get to as much of the audience as possible, the population as possible, because we're not in it to fleece people out of their money. We're in it to empower entrepreneurs and business owners to give them all the stats and data at their fingertips. So, for as I said to you earlier, it's a couple of R100 a month. It starts the smallest packages honestly, and it goes to like R400 a month is the most expensive. And you and I both know we don't spend that little on our cell phones. And this is a package that runs your entire business. It's so we really pride ourselves on the affordability, and we have a whole ecosystem of apps that plug into QuickBooks. So no matter what niche market you're in, we've got an app for you so that you're able to do any aspect and all aspects of your business.
So what you're really saying is QuickBooks is more than accounting. It's
Correct.
business automation. And that's what's so awesome about the product, and especially some of the apps.
Yes, correct. I mean, we've got an app called Receipt Bank, which I'd say 99% of our customers use because it just saves them so much time. And in the business world, time is, well, even in life, isn't it? Time is something you just can't buy. And we've also, what we pride ourselves in as well is that the bank feed directly into QuickBooks. There's no CSV files, there's no uploading, downloading. The bank actually talks to the program. I mean, that's just wow. A couple of years ago, we would never have thought that's like new age stuff. We never would have thought that your accounting package could talk to your bank, but it does. So at an instant exactly what's happening between your bank and your accounting system. Pretty neat stuff. It excites me. It's very exciting. Sorry, I get excited.
Well, and the exciting thing, Bridget, is about if one looks at the SMME market, they face challenges.
They do.
Let's take the challenges of business accounting away and fix it with QuickBooks
Correct.
Online. And what you're really saying is that QuickBooks is doing its bit for entrepreneurs in Africa. And that's what is so awesome about your product.
Correct. That's exactly what I'm saying.
Bridget, thank you very much for being
Pleasure.
participating in the A4E Business Financial Mastery educational campaign, and more importantly, thank you for really the contribution that you guys are making to the success of the SMME in South Africa and well globally. Thank you all
Thank you so
really
much.
so
Thank you
much.
for having us.
Okay, so we'll be in touch shortly.
Great. Thanks. Thanks, Robert.
Okay, can you just remind our listeners where they get hold of you of QuickBooks?
Sure. It's www.easybiztech.co.za. So that's easy, EASY, and then biz with a Z, BIZ, and then tech, TECH.co.za, and all our information is there.
Awesome, Bridget. Thank you for being on the show.
Thank you. Thanks for having us. It's a
Okay,
pleasure.
cheers for now.
Cheers, Robert.